I just purchased the 10-foot, 32-inch wide stand-up all-around inflatable paddleboard with the kayak attachments. So the pump comes with two parts. There's your hose and then the pump. You want to set the dial on the front to the number 1, which is right in the middle. You're going to find the side of the hose that's round, and you're going to attach it to the back of the pump, and it should just screw right on. And take the other side that has the hook on it, and you're going to open the valve and twist the hook on. The hooks will attach on the inside. You can feel it attach on, and you're going to start pumping. Ready? So now that it's pretty hard to pump, I'm going to turn it to the number 3, and I'm going to finish up until the dial at the top gets to the green 15. It took me about 15 minutes to pump it up fully, and it was very difficult. Just so you know, you got to keep pumping until the dial reaches 15. It says in the directions that you can't over pump the board. So if it's still not at 15, you have to keep going no matter how hard it is. So if you also found this really challenging and difficult, I would suggest the electric pump. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to release the valve. It'll make a loud noise like that, and that's nothing to worry about. I'm going to put the cap back on. Twist it. It says on here, close, open with arrows to make sure you're twisting in the right direction. And I'm going to remove the hose. The kayak kit comes with two parts. There's the seat, and then there's a strap. If you don't want to use the entire seat, you can just attach the strap, and the strap will just attach back here to these two handles, and then you can just use that for back support. You're going to put your seat right behind the handle that's in the middle of the paddleboard so that you're not sitting on the handle. The straps that are at the top are your longest straps, and you're going to clip them on to the hook furthest away from you. And the strap that's at the bottom will attach to the one closest to you, just as so. And do the same for the other side. The straps are adjustable depending on where you want your seat to be. All right, this is your ankle strap. You can attach it back here onto this loop. You're going to undo the Velcro. Take off the loop, put it through, and then back through itself, like so, and put it back on to the Velcro. Folding the Velcro over itself again, and then you've got this, and when you put it on yourself, you're also going to undo the Velcro and wrap it around your ankle. Okay, this is my kayak attachment paddle, and these are the stand-up paddleboard attachments. The bottom one goes in to this side, and you're going to push the button down and slide it in. Up here, you're going to push open the black part. Slide this in to the height that you would like it. Make sure you line up the holes with the metal pieces that are in here, and then just attach it on, and there you have your stand-up paddleboard paddle. To take it out, slide this back off, slide this one in, and again you need to line up your holes with the metal pieces, attach it on, and now you've got your kayak paddle. All right, the last thing you need to do is attach your fin. To do that, we're gonna flip the paddleboard over to the back side. Back here is where you are gonna attach the fin. It slides into the groove. There's little grooves right here where the round part will go, and then push it backwards so that it's nice and snug in there. This little lever gets pushed down and that locks your fin in place. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to deflate my paddleboard. So I'm gonna open this lever again by twisting and popping it off. The directions say to go ahead and twist and push down on this yellow piece in the middle. Which I found extremely difficult. So I went ahead and got myself some gloves and I'm gonna push down and twist. The last thing you have left to do is once that valve has stayed open, you can go ahead and start folding up your paddleboard. You're going to want to push the air out while folding your board. Okay, so I've deflated it and I've rolled it up, and now I'm going to strap it down with the strap. I've slid the strap underneath. I'm going to put it through 2 rings. Pull it tight, separate the rings, and put it through the furthest one. Alright, I've gotten it all strapped up, so I'm going to put it back into its bag. There's 2 straps inside the bag that I'm going to attach it with. And secure it down. I'm going to put my emergency kit that has all my repair supplies on the outside. And I'm going to put my pump back in this carrying bag because the pump's not going to fit in the big bag. So if you take this hiking up the mountains, you're going to have to carry the pump separate. It doesn't quite fit into that bag. Along with the hose. And then my paddles, I can fit on the side in here. And then the fin and the ankle thing I'm going to put on the side. And just like that, I'm ready to go. These I would also carry separate if I would want those with me. And then put your backpack on and you're ready to go stand up paddleboarding.